How to stop foot odor. Smelly feet remedies that work. There's nothing quite like that moment when you take off your shoes and instantly regret it. Or worse, someone else regrets it for you. If your feet could clear a room, you're not alone. Foot odor is way more common than people admit. But thankfully, you can fix it. In this video, we're going to break down why your feet smell in the first place, and then get straight into remedies that actually work. No gimmicks, no shaming. Just real stuff you can start doing today to stop the stink for good. Let's get into it. Why do feet smell in the first place? So here's the deal. Your feet have over 250,000 sweat glands, more than any other part of your body. But sweat itself doesn't actually smell. It's the bacteria that feed on that sweat that create this stinky mess. Basically, bacteria plus sweat plus a dark and moist environment equals foot funk. And it's not just about poor hygiene. Even clean people get foot odor, especially if they wear tight shoes, synthetic socks, or don't let their feet breathe. Some people just sweat more. Hormones, stress, genetics. It all plays a role. But whatever the cause, the fix is all about breaking that bacteria sweat cycle. And that starts with your daily routine. Daily habits to prevent foot odor. Before we jump into the remedies, let's make sure the fundamentals are solid. Wash and dry like you mean it. Don't just rinse. Actually wash your feet with antibacterial soap. Focus between the toes, under the nails, and the soles. Then dry them completely. Not just a quick towel pat. Bacteria love moisture, so don't give them a free spa day. Change your socks every day. Yes, even if they look clean. One wear is all it takes for sweat and bacteria to settle in. And those thin, synthetic socks, toss them. Go for moisture-wicking options like cotton blends, wool, or bamboo. Rotate your shoes. If you're wearing the same pair every day, they don't get a chance to dry out, and the bacteria just build up. Rotate your shoes and give them at least 24 hours to breathe. And if it's summer, bonus points for going barefoot whenever you can. Home remedies that actually work. All right, let's get into the good stuff. The natural, easy, DIY remedies that stop foot odor instead of just covering it up. Tea soak or vinegar soak. You'd be surprised how powerful your kitchen can be. Boil 2 black tea bags in a liter of water. Let it cool, and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. The tannic acid in the tea kills bacteria and helps shrink pores, which reduces sweating. Prefer something stronger? Add half a cup of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar to warm water. It changes the pH of your skin, making it tough for bacteria to survive. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and the results can be noticeable fast. Baking soda and cornstarch powder. Think of this as a natural deodorant for your feet. Mix 1 part baking soda with 1 part cornstarch and add a few drops of essential oil, like tea tree, eucalyptus, or peppermint. These have antibacterial properties and smell great. Sprinkle the powder inside your shoes or directly on your feet before putting on socks. It absorbs moisture, neutralizes odor, and keeps you dry. Alcohol or witch hazel wipe down. Need a quick fix? Add some rubbing alcohol or witch hazel on a cotton ball and wipe your feet down, especially between the toes. It zaps bacteria on contact and dries fast. It's also great for midday refreshers if you've been in shoes for hours. DIY foot scrub. Once or twice a week, scrub your feet with a mix of coarse salt and coconut oil, or sugar and tea tree oil. This exfoliates dead skin where bacteria hide, and the oil helps disinfect while keeping your skin soft. Bonus, your feet will feel baby smooth. Shoe and sock care. Let's not forget what your feet are living in. Deodorize your shoes. Baking soda inside your shoes overnight can help neutralize lingering odors. You can also use activated charcoal bags or cedar shoe inserts to absorb moisture and smell. Wash sneakers regularly. especially if they're canvas or machine washable. And never store shoes in a dark, closed-up closet if they're still warm or damp. That's just begging for odor to settle in. Ditch the synthetics. If your shoes are made of plastic, vinyl, or other non-breathable materials, ditch them. They trap heat and moisture like a greenhouse. Leather, canvas, mesh, and natural fabrics are your best bet. And yes, sandals are your friend. Let those toes breathe. When to see a doctor? Okay, so you've tried all the home remedies. You've cleaned, soaked, powdered, and scrubbed, and your feet still smell like something died? It might be time to talk to a doctor. Persistent odor could be a sign of athlete's foot, a fungal infection, toenail fungus, hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating, or even a bacterial skin condition. In those cases, you might need prescription strength treatments, like medicated sprays, powders, or even oral meds. There's no shame in getting help. This stuff is common and fixable. So don't ignore your smelly feet. They deserve better. And so does everyone who shares a room with them. If this video helped you, leave a comment, hit that like button, and share it with someone whose shoes you're low-key afraid of. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more practical life hacks and health tips. Thanks for watching. Now go give your feet some love.